Are you collecting patient feedback on Instagram? If not, you should be, and I'm here to help show you how. My name is Marley Espinales, founder of Clicc Media Inc., where we help dentists and other service-based businesses grow online through web design and our internet marketing services. These are the topics we focus on here. So if you would like to learn more about social media marketing, SEO, ads, and so forth, make sure to hit that subscribe button below so you can be notified when we release some new content. Now, why is collecting client feedback so important? Well, not only does it provide you key insight on what your clients like and don't like about your services, office, or products, which you can then take and make internal changes to provide them better quality service that keeps them happy, but it can also help you create a more engaged community and increase brand loyalty. Actually, according to a study performed by Facebook, 66% of people see Instagram as a channel or platform for connecting with brands. Now, you can continue to take the traditional routes on collecting patient feedback through website surveys, automated emails, and even reviews on Google and Yelp. But I will also suggest that you begin to incorporate Instagram into your strategy, as it can give you another way to listen and engage with your community, as well as set you apart from the competition. So how exactly can we begin getting feedback from your followers? I'll tell you right now, so make sure to grab a pen and paper because this will be quick. The first way to collect client feedback is by using the question sticker. You can use this feature two ways: by directly asking your audience a question or encouraging them to ask you questions. As a dentist, you can ask them which type of teeth whitening products they prefer. What do you wish waiting rooms had more of? What do you like about coming to our office? And if you encourage your audience to ask the questions, you can then reply to each question privately through DMs, and even do videos on your stories to make it like a live Q&A segment. Jumping on the back of private DMs, the second strategy is to use the DME sticker. You can either post a static image on your story with a sticker or put a video inviting them to start a conversation with you. Just make sure that you're prepared for a possible influx of messages and comments, and that you have someone or a couple of people able to respond to them quickly and accurately. Strategy number 3 is using the slider sticker, which looks like this right here. Do you have a new product or service you're thinking about rolling out, or are unsure if you should continue with them? Use the sliding scale to see how much your community likes it or not. It's simple for them to answer, so it can become pretty effective. Strategy number 4 is using the pull sticker. This is such an easy, quick, and engaging way to get people to provide you feedback. It literally takes a second and a tap of the finger for someone to provide feedback. The beautiful thing about this strategy is that you can use the feedback to curate new content for your feed and stories. Are you renovating your office and giving it a fresh paint job? Ask which color people prefer. Want to know how often your patients are flossing? Pull out and then follow up on the importance of flossing with a quick, engaging video. Want to see if people prefer to watch TV or listen to music during their procedure? This is a way you can adapt and create a more comfortable environment for them. You see where I'm going with this here. The fifth and final strategy I recommend you start using today is the quiz sticker. You can use this to help you educate your patients on their dental health care, or make it more fun and personal by getting your dental team to participate by sharing light personal favorites of theirs. For example, a get to know your team series, where you ask people what they think each person's favorite meeting is, procedure to do, ice cream flavor, etc. All of these strategies are just a great way to encourage conversations to begin, which I have said before is a new form of marketing. It's starting conversations and then inviting people to take the next steps once you have a rapport going. In the case of a dental practice, it would be to schedule an appointment. Collecting the feedback is one thing, but you have to make sure you respond to your comments, questions, and even acknowledge the feedback with a simple emoji if needed. The purpose of this is to show your community that you are actively listening and their opinion matters. This will help increase your brand's loyalty and trust. Well, everyone, I hope you enjoyed this information. I told you it was going to be quick. If you did enjoy it, please let me know by hitting that like button under this video and share it with your friends and whoever else you believe will find this useful. Thank you so much for watching it. And if you have any questions or feedback, please leave it in the comments below. I can't wait to read and respond to them. Catch you next time.